Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to talk about B2 expression, B2 level speaking skills, and that is style 1. In this style, you have to speak about a particular topic that is called Vortrag halten. Just 7 to 8 minutes are given to you. You will get 2 topics. Out of 2, you have to choose 1, and then you get 5 minutes preparation time, and then you speak. Vortrag halten means to give speech about a topic. This topic is almost same as you have done in B1 level. So don't be afraid if you have done B1 level, if you have given speaking skills, if you have given speaking exam of B1 level, so this you may find easier and you can score very good marks. Just you have to be little attentive. The thing is that in this level, B2 level, teacher expect that you don't make mistakes at all and you use standard German. Hochdeutsch is expected from you. Very good structures, very good sentence formation without making mistakes. That is expected from you in this B2 level. Do not make mistakes. Understand the topics very carefully. Give to the point answer and speak very slow and with lot of confidence. Confidence build up is very important. That takes little bit time. It's a gradual process. You cannot build up your confidence in a day or in a week. You need to practice regularly, you need to learn regularly, you need to revise regularly. As I always say, hard work, self-practice and self-study is very important if you want to have a good command over any language. So here I can see like Thema 1, Finanzierung des Studiums. The topic is Finanzierung des Studiums. This is the topic, finance of studies. What do you understand? And there are 3 points. Beschreiben Sie mehrere Alternative. Describe more alternatives. Nennen Sie Vor- und Nachteile. Name Vorteil und Nachteil. Tell advantages and disadvantages. And then beschreiben Sie eine Möglichkeit genauer. You have to describe one possibility exactly in detail. First of all, you need to understand what does it mean. What do you understand by the topic? Finanzierung des Studiums. Finance of studium. Study. How will you finance your studies? You are living either in India or in Germany, but how will you finance your studies? What are the different ways? What are the different possibilities? Like Teilzeitarbeiten, you can work as a part-time. You can take loan from the bank. You can take loan from any of your family members. This is Finanzierung des Studiums. You can get scholarship if you are meritorious students. If you are a meritorious student, if you are a good student, you may get scholarship from the government. So that is also one of the ways. So these are the Möglichkeiten. These are the alternative. Sometimes they are asked about alternative, sometimes Möglichkeiten. So there is a difference. But here they are asking about the alternative. Mehrere Alternative. What are the other alternatives? How can you finance your studies? This is your topic. You have to think and speak very carefully. Man kann Teilzeit arbeiten. Okay? Man kann Teilzeit arbeiten. Man kann selbst finanzieren. Zum Beispiel, als ich in Deutschland war, habe ich mein Studium selbst finanziert. Ich habe Teilzeit gearbeitet. Ich habe 10 Stunden pro Woche gearbeitet und mein Studium finanziert. This is one of the ways that you can work as a part-time job. You can work part-time, 8 to 10 hours per week, and you can earn money. So through this way you can finance your studies. Another way, you can ask from your parents, you can ask from your friends, you can take loan. Then Vor- und Nachteile. What are the advantages and disadvantages? And then beschreiben Sie eine Möglichkeit genauer. Genauer, exactly, in detail. You have to describe, you have to say in detail about one of the possibilities. Suppose I choose Teilzeitarbeit, part-time job. There are advantages as well as disadvantages. Advantages, you earn money, you get work experience, you get to know new people. Okay, man verdient Geld, man lernt neue Leute kennen, man bekommt und hat Berufserfahrung. So das sind die Vorteile. Nachteil, disadvantages, that your day become very hectic. You are tired at the end of the day. You need rest. Man wird müde. Man braucht eine Pause. Der Tag ist hektisch, gestresst. Man wird gestresst. So this is disadvantage. I have just given you few examples. I have just told you how you can deal with these people. Bit-Sprechen Teil 1. I hope you understand. I hope you find this video interesting and useful. Please hit the like button, share the video as much as possible, and keep watching German class. Keep learning with me. Bye bye. Take care.